Next, going to defining main function. Inside this function, I am going to calling all these user defined functions. A character array, postfix. This is here I am declaring an array called postfix to store the given postfix expression. Given a postfix expression. Later we will declare some other variables. At the end we will see the other variables what we need. So while we have to be scan the symbols until null character is encountered. Whenever null character is encountered in postfix, then we have to be stop scanning the symbols. Let us watch. Here my what is my postfix expression is A, B, C plus star D, E slash minus. This is my postfix expression. So this is the expression we should input and read it into postfix expression. First read that expression. Wait for a moment. Enter a postfix expression. Read that postfix expression into array called postfix. Okay. Now symbol is equal to postfix of I. Let it be initialize the variables I with the value 0. So the postfix of 0 is stored inside one variable called, instead of using this expression always, it's simple to use a symbol, a variable called symbol. Now check, is this symbol is operand or operator? If is operand of symbol, what do you have to be do? If it is an operand, first read the value. Suppose say A. A. What is the value of A? Value is required. I am inputting the postfix expression like this. The operand values also we should input. Enter the value of %C, comma, symbol. Read that value into the variable, let it be x. Phi is given, that phi is readed into, okay, now A value phi is inside x. Push that x value into stack data structure. Push off x, that's all. What are these three statements here? This is an infix expression, postfix expression. First scanning symbol is A. If it is an operand, the program will ask for you the value. Enter the value of A. If you are given 6, if you are given 5, that is readed into variable x. That x value is pushed into stack data structure 5. A value 5 is pushed into stack data structure. If is operator, here the logic, the entire logic will be in this step. What is the algorithm here? If it is an operator, what is the step number A? Remove the two top elements. How to remove? Pop. Call pop. So the top element is deleted. How to delete next to top? Again call pop. Next to top is deleted. Right? So now, what is the step number B? Evaluate B operator A. Maybe operator may be plus, minus, asterisk, slash. Use the switch case symbol. If plus, what we have to be do? C is equal to A plus B or B plus A? Do B plus A. Of course, both are equivalent, but in the case of minus and division, some variation will be there. So, always perform B operator A. Step number B. Always evaluate B operator A. Break. If the operator symbol is minus, C is equal to B minus A. Break. If it is asterisk, C is equal to B into A. Operator is division, C is equal to B by A. That's all. Now, C is having a value. What is step number 3? Place the result of B. In B step, the result we are calculated, that we have to be placed back into. Where is the result? Now we are storing result inside C. So after switch case, what you have to be do? Push C. That's all. Push C. If ending. That's all. Step number 4A, implementation it is. 4B, evaluation. 4C. 3 steps are implemented. 4A, 4B, 4C. What is the step number 5? Finally, the stack contains final result 37. Store that 37 into variable called value pop by doing pop, and display that value of variable. Printf the value of postfix expression is %d backslash and comma value. End of the main. Increment I value in each iteration. Here increment I value I plus plus, terminate while. After terminating while loop, pop the stack content and display it. End of the main. Watching here, it is while beginning and it is while ending. After scanning all symbols, after completion of scanning all symbols, finally delete the result of the postfix expression by using pop and display that value at the end. Yes, sir. Declare the variables what are used. A symbol is a one variable. Are there any variables used? X value A, B, C. Still? Line number? See, enter a postfix expression, input this one. Tell me ABC, as a string we are inputting ABC plus star DE slash minus. What it is asking? Enter the value of A. Value is 5. Enter the value of B. 5 is pushed into stack. Next 6 pushed into stack. Next 2 pushed into stack. Next operator is coming. So 6 plus 2 becomes 8 inside the stack. Next D value 12. E value 4. So the value is 37. The value of given postfix expression. So inside this postfix expression, all the operand values are inputted. This is the final result, 37. Right? So what's the overview of this program? We are created a stack data structure and implemented push and pop operations because the operands we are pushing into the stack and again those operands we are performing operation. That resultant again we are pushing back into the stack. Step number 4A, 4B, 4C using stack, pushing the elements and popping the elements, performing the operation. So push and pop are implemented. Is operand is a function, checks whether the symbol is, scanning symbol is operand or not. It checks whether the scanning symbol is operator or not, main function. Here we have declared a character type array postfix to hold the inputted postfix expression like this. As a string it reads, means see here, as a string. If you are inputted a string at the end anyway, automatically \0 is appended by getS function. So it is an array postfix. Inside this array postfix, the string will be stored like this. And whereas this is a stack data structure, let it be stack. Stack of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Right, what is the input here? Enter postfix expression. It is readed into postfix. Initial value of 5 is 0. Postfix of 0 not equal to \0. True. What is postfix of 0? A not equal to \0. True. Enters into the loop. A means here ASCII code of A. 97 not equal to \0 ASCII code is 0. 97 not equal to 0. True. Enters into the loop. Here the ASCII codes of these character constants are compared with ASCII code of null character 0. 97 not equal to 0. True. Enters into the loop. The statement assigns postfix of 0 to symbol, that is A. Symbol is now A. Is the symbol A is operand? Yes. This is operand returns 1. 1 means true. Control enters into if block. These three statements are executed. Because it is an operand. Scanning symbol is operand true. Is operand returns 1. 1 means true. Enters into the if block. It will ask enter the value of symbol. Symbol is A. It will ask enter the value of A in place of %A is printed. If we are given 5, that 5 we are reading into integer variable called X. Now X value 5 is pushed into stack data structure. That is the coding here. So next again, after this, of course, this condition is false because symbol is A, it's not an operator. This if condition is false. I plus plus. I becomes 1. At I is equal to 1 again, postfix of 1 is assigned to symbol. What is the postfix of 1 now? B. B. So again it is an operand. Control enters into if block. Again it will ask enter the value of B. If I am given 6, again that 6 is pushed into stack data structure like that. Again at I is equal to 2, C value it accepts, 2 is pushed into stacked. I value is 3 now. At I is equal to 3, postfix of 3 is assigned to symbol, that is plus. Is operand of plus false, it returns 0 now. Is operand now returns 0. 0 means false, this code is not executed. This is executed. Is operator, yes, it returns 1 now. Is operator returns 1. What happens? Pop. Whenever pop is called, 2 will be deleted. It is a stack topmost element, 2 is deleted, stored inside A. Again we are calling pop, next to top is deleted, stored into 6. And what is the operator here? Plus. The scanning symbol is plus. So C is equal to B plus A, 8. Break is executed then. After executing this break, the control come outside of the switch case, push C. What is the value inside C? 8. That is pushed into stack data structure. That's all. Every time operand is encountered, pushed into the stack, operator is encountered, the processing is performed onto the top 2 elements of the stack and result pushed back into the stack data structure. So finally \0 is encountered, condition becomes false. After scanning all symbols, a null character is encountered. Null character not equal to null character false, come outside of the while. After while what we are doing? Pop we are calling. The final value stored inside stack is 37. That is deleted, assigned to value. That value is printed onto the screen. So I hope you understand this coding. First thorough with the algorithm, then the coding is not at all a matter here. Simply we can able to code it. Copy this main function. Make it fast. For this program, the input expression is postfix expression. The arithmetic expression should be in postfix. So instead of writing two simple if statements, write the coding in else block. Even no need to test this one. By deleting this, we can write else. Yes. Instead of writing two separate simple if statements, write if else. Inside if block, if the scanning symbol is operand, the related code we should implement. If it is an operator, write the related coding in else block. So this first pop deletes, top element of the stack. Next pop deletes next to top. Consecutively, the pop is calling twice. First pop deletes top element, second pop deletes the next to top element. This is a second simple if. I plus plus. This is a while loop index variable. A loop index variable. Here we are incrementing while loop index variable, because to scan the next character. Initial I value is 0. Whenever I is incremented by 1, it points to next character. That is the next character going to scanning. So after terminating while loop execution, the final resultant of the postfix expression, which is held by the stack, is popped and stored inside one ordinary variable called value. That is the result of the postfix expression.